It starts reversing on the last 8 minutes of the program. Light stays on for 3 minutes on LG. There are the programs. Kilogram, I think Q's on it, LG. I love the colour on it. It's got condenser care on this one. It's an hour and 10 minutes. Put water in it. It'll beep, tell you it's full. Shut door and press start. It only uses 0.07 kilowatts on every program of electric. It's pretty good. But I do love the colour. Matches the rest of my kitchen. On the last 2 minutes of program, it'll self-clean. See if we can get that on. Had this one a year, and it's black and white, and I love the black trim around the door. It's got 2 filters. There's that one on the side. When clothes are nearly dry, they all start, especially bedding, they all roll in a ball. For some reason. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But everything else, no. Don't roll together. It's just bedding. Got an anti-crease on it. Only lasts us 2 hours though. Think that's rubbish. Especially if you're working and you put dryer on and you're a bit longer than what you should be, your clothes will be creased by the time you get in. Four minutes to go. You don't really tumble opposite way very often. It's just like just a couple of turns and then it goes back to clockwise. Most of the programs on here are clockwise. I think there's about 3 programs on here with it reverses, anti-clockwise, and then all others are all clockwise. And now it's all cleaning. Pause 2 minutes. That's the cooling down, and that's the top clean condenser. Cleaning up filter inside here, flushing it all, and then when it's done it'll pump the water into the drawer when it's cleaned it. It cleans the condenser every time it does a program, long or short. Don't take a long time to dry either. It's pretty fast to say it's a new pump. And then it plays its tune. Thanks for watching, guys.